Welcome to my tutorial. My name is Omar, and today I will be showing you how to create the splashy effect in Gimp. Today I'm using Gimp 2.8. So to start off, you need to go to File, New. Your width should be set to 1280, and your height should be set to 720. Press OK. So after you did that, you right-click, click New Layer, and make sure it's set to Transparency, and click OK. Now, double-click your brush icon and type in this little bar, splats 2. Now, after you typed in splats 2, change your size to about 300 or anything that fits your canvas. After you have done that, go across your screen and in a straight line. Okay. Fill in any places that are bare. After you have done that, go back to your layers option, which is right here. Go to filters, alpha to logo, then Chrome. Select OK, and it should be like this. Next, what you want to do is delete your drop shadow. So you do that by clicking drop shadow and clicking this trash can. So after you click your trash can, you need to add your text. So you click on this A tool and make a rectangle. You type in your text. My text is technology. After you've done that, you highlight and enlarge your text. Try and make it as big as possible, big enough to fit the screen. That seems right. So next, you want to click your Move tool, click on your text, and move it up. Next, what you want to do is click on your technology layer and click up, this up arrow. Now that you have done that, click your A tool again and highlight and set it to sans bold. And shrink it by a little bit so it fits. Use your move tool to move it around so it looks right. Once you are done with that, you go to select. You go to right click, alpha to selection, select, shrink it by 3 pixels, then select feather and feather it by 25. After you have done this, click your bucket fill tool and change your foreground color to white. Now fill in all the colors, all the letters. Once you have done this, make sure your technology layer is below your splash layer now. So click your technology layer and press this down arrow. Now your text should be under. Now what you want to do now is go to colors and colorize. So merge it down, then delete this background because you don't need it. You can do this by clicking background in this trash can down here. Now what you do is you duplicate. Now you go to filters, you click map and displace. So what this did is that it changed this splash layer up here, and so it looks more wavy. So you go to Filters, Map, Displace, and it should displace it. Once it's displaced, you don't need this first layer anymore, so you can just delete it. Now, you merge these layers down, then click Colorize. After you've clicked Colorize, you exit out of that screen and select None. Now, go to Select your technology, right-click, Alpha to Selection, delete this background layer because you don't need it, and then you click Colors, Colorize. Now for this, you need to set your hue to 190 and set your saturation to 100. Or you can change your saturation based on your brightness. Press OK. Duplicate. Then go to Filters, Alpha to Logo, Alien Glow, and change it to a light blue color. Once you've done that, make sure your text is at the top. If it was at the bottom, so you can click it. Make sure you click the up arrow. Make sure it's at the top, and your finished product should look like this. Thank you for watching.